Hey everyone! Are you tired of feeling stressed and anxious all the time? What if I told you that there's a natural solution that can help you relax and unwind? Introducing the ultimate stress-busting duo, lemongrass and lavender oil mix. First, let's talk about the amazing benefits of lemongrass oil. This essential oil is known for its refreshing and uplifting scent that can instantly boost your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety. Lemongrass oil is also a natural antiseptic and can help to purify the air around you, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. Now, let's move on to lavender oil. This essential oil is well known for its calming and relaxing properties. It can help to soothe your mind and body, reduce feelings of stress and tension, and even promote better sleep. When combined with lemongrass oil, the two create a powerful blend that can work wonders for your mental and physical well-being. To make your own lemongrass and lavender oil mix, simply combine equal parts of each essential oil in a small bottle or container. You can then use this mixture in a variety of ways, such as adding a few drops to your bathwater, diffusing it in your home or office, or even applying it topically to your skin. Just be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil first. Not only is this lemongrass and lavender oil mix incredibly effective at reducing stress and promoting relaxation, but it's also completely natural and free from harmful chemicals or additives. So why resort to prescription medications or other artificial solutions when you can harness the power of nature to help you feel your best? In summary, if you're looking for a natural way to reduce stress, anxiety, and tension, then look no further than the lemongrass and lavender oil mix. This powerful blend of essential oils can help to calm your mind, soothe your body, and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Give it a try today and see the difference it can make in your life. Thanks for watching Natural Home Remedy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Until next time, take care.